Happy Pride.
Period.
Welcome to Tracy channel.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Vibe with Tracy. Today we're going to Pride 2024 Chicago edition. Let's get into it. So we on the way. I got my friend with me. Period. We on the way to get my other friends, and yeah, all right, let's go.
Hi, I'm so excited.
Okay, tell them your ex. Like
My at JustZati on Instagram, Facebook. You're not gonna be able to find that shit because my name is hard to spell, so don't even try. But yeah, JustZati, ZOTIE at Instagram.
we at the liquor store. We already got the bottle. We need to take a shot.
Of what? Is it clear or is it brown?
Okay, let's just wait on them to come back.
Yeah.
We vibing.
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay, so we finally just got here. Finally, like 3 hours later. We ready to turn up. Let's get into it. Like, let's go. Period. We trying to see what's really going on. Like,
I really want to go and shake some ass because I'm tired.
it's really cold.
She mad.
Hey, how far down we gotta go?
See where they at then. Yeah, this one I'm talking about. This one they want to see. Damn, it's blocked off. That's crazy.
Every fucking
Like, there's so many, like, fuck trails. Am I man? No.
She get me.
It's my girlfriend goodbye.
Period. The baddest. Yeah. Fuck, they got you fucked up. Period. Fuck. Fuck. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah.
The problem is y'all not communicating on this fucking
Gotta go that way.
They done told us to come this way.
We going that way. They told us we can't go that way. I am confused.
Every fucking
Yeah.
Yeah, bitch. Right here. I'm fun of the back. Ah!
It is 1:40 in the morning, and I played Wendy's because I'm hungry. But I would be bogus if I get a God tally. That's what I want. That's what I want. All right, so we got invited to the Tinley Fest, and let's see what it's all about. This is our first time going, and I'm excited.
Squad.
Are you excited?
A little bit.
Okay.
What about you, boo?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Eat them up.
The line is so long. Like, it's going all the way down there.
They had these signs up for a month.
Yeah, that's true.
They had vodka, lemonade, rum, punch, margaritas, and beer over there.
It sounds like you advertising. Just like the taste. I'm excited. Oh, look at the one pull up. The Marines. Can I do it? Yes. Okay, this is the blue side. Let's go down here. Texas ribs. Let's see. I'm not really a rib person, but
Beer.
rib.
Oh.
Ew, I'm not a beer person either.
My bad, man. I know you don't drink, but that's why I'm shocked.
Let's see. It's so hot. It's 2,000 degrees. If you're still watching, give this video a thumbs up. Please spam the comments. Like, let me know that y'all still watching. What is this called?
Pulled pork.
And it's a pulled pork sandwich.
Yeah, pulled pork.
Is it good? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
I already
We are waiting to get some margaritas. They have so many different options. We are definitely coming back. Like, I wanted one of those drinks, but that line is all the way over there. Like, it's not that deep. Okay, look at my macaroni. That looks so good. Let's get into my beans. Let's see my boost sandwich. Do it again. Bye.
I'm just gonna ask old buddy in the front since he was so happy to see her.
Oh, look at this. They got a whole store. Okay. Like, this is literally a grocery store of fireworks. Rockets. Oh, they say this is daylight use. Like, what I be doing?
Because you're nice.
You love me because I'm nice? Why do you love me?
Because you're so pretty.
Oh, thank you. So you love me because I'm nice, and you love me because I'm pretty.
So, come on, let's go.
Oh, wow. Do it again. Good job. Y'all see it?
That was too much.
You don't like that one?
No.
I gotta run, okay?
We ain't gonna run, baby.
Run! Where that little box going? Back up, Summer.
That's because that happened.
Thank y'all for watching. Please make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what video y'all want to see next.
I'm on the stage right now.